Hey, how's it going? So welcome to another episode of the SkyoöD-Vu P.O.V show. I finally got my Projekt Audi A6 back and the engine is installed. I had released a video on my Instagram account showing it running. I'll post that on the YouTube channel as well here when I include this. What I'm doing right now, I'm doing a little work on it. I haven't got license plates done for it yet. I tried to go to the registration, I had that done earlier, and it turns out after 3 o'clock, only walking. Sorry for the background, I was on a public road here basically, so cars come by, just come back from work. So anyways, new gas strut installed, so no more using a broomstick to hold up the engine bay. And what I'm working on right now is trying to clean up these headlights that are really yellowed. They just look horrible. So anyways, I found a YouTube video, and the guy recommended just using Mother's mag and aluminum polish, which, okay, I was like, really? But it looked pretty good on video and didn't look like it was edited to be fake, so I said, let's give it a shot. And there you can see the first results. You'll notice right here, I got a little staining still to get rid of. This part looks really clean, and there's, again, some more edge staining. But if you compare that to the original, the way I've got the car, it's all cloudy. The UV protection completely gone. It absolutely is horrible. So sure enough, it works. And of course now I'm not using the right tools. I'm using a Black & Decker drill and this fuzzy polish ball. It's been in my garage probably for, oh, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, maybe even 10 years. So I'm finally getting some use out of it. So anyways, I'll include some videos or some links to the video on YouTube channel where I found instructions on it, so you guys can find it really easy. So big thanks to him for sharing that on YouTube, and I'll share the link with you. So if you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.